Hey guys, Aaron here. Welcome back to the channel. This is my 2005 Porsche 911 997. Today we are going to clean out the front radiators. Mine are full of leaves and crap. So let me show you how to do that. The first step is we're going to remove the bumper. Now I made a separate video for that, so go check out the link up here. And I'm going to come back with this bumper removed and show you how to get to the grill down there. But there we have it. Front bumper is now removed. Now, to get to our radiators, we still have this big rubber cover to remove on each side. All right, so to remove this one, you can see we have a little temperature sensor here. So I'm just gonna reach back and unplug him. All right, just unplug that guy. And then there is one bolt right up here on the top, one bolt down here on the bottom, and you can see this other side just has these notches right down there and up here. So once you take those off, it'll just come out and slide off. And these are T25s again. Remove him. And this guy, looks like this was actually replaced. This is a Phillips head. Interesting. All right, let me get a Phillips head. All right, we'll see if the one on the other side is like this. Now, as I suspected, the one on the other side are both T25s as well, so somebody replaced this bolt. Okay, with those off, I think, oh wait, I forgot, there is one more bolt holding it on, and it is right in there. Looks like it's also a T25. Once that one is loose, wiggle him out. In here with all my leaves now. Interesting threads on that guy. Okay, now that these are all out, I should just be able to pull this away and then tug it towards me, I think. Let's see. Okay, so you have to open them a larger distance and then they will come out. Oh, yes. All right, yep, definitely overdue to clean some radiators. All right, so you'll see you actually have two radiators, a slightly larger one and then this one in front. And a lot of the harmful debris is actually trapped between the two of these. So it's not enough just to open it up and clean that off, which is easy enough. We're gonna take this bolt out over here, and that's gonna give us enough flexibility. You can see there's the two more tabs on this side, the opposite way, so we'll be able to pull these apart just a little bit and get a vacuum in there. All right, this guy is a little baby 8mm. All right, as soon as he is removed, you have access. You can just pull it forward. Those two tabs will come loose. And let's see, what do we got back here? Oh, it's not like super terrible. Not nearly as bad as my Boxster when I opened it up. But yeah, you can definitely see we're gonna get a vacuum in here and clean all of this up. All right, don't get all cocky taking off the other side thinking you know what you're doing or you will snap these things off. Ask me how I know that. All right, final tip when you are putting this back on, don't pull your lighting stuff through down here, pull it through here. Otherwise, it is trapped in this thing and you have to take your bumper back off to get it up here. Luckily, I only put a few bolts in and those clips, but yeah, gotta pull it back off. All right, hope you guys found that helpful. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to make sure you don't miss any of the new 997 content coming out. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next one.